there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and today I'm excited to bring you this 2024 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This boat's loaded with features and options, and one of the most significant options on the boat is the hydraulic swim platform, submersible swim platform. It'll go down to about a foot below the water, and it's a great place to hang out, enjoy the water, relax. At night you can turn on the underwater lights and create the swimming pool effect with it. Over on the port side there's a huge storage locker, and this locker is big enough to put a fully inflated paddleboard in. And then there's other storage over here on the sun lounge, other wet storage here that you can use for water toys or life jackets or whatever. Another interesting feature is the terrace that drops down to create a lot more deck space on this boat. And the sun lounge backrest can be changed to view the terrace. This boat's all about space and entertaining, and you can see that you've got a lot of seating space in this cockpit here with this huge L-shaped sofa. And even when the table is fully extended, there's plenty of room for people to mingle and pass through without a whole lot of trouble. On the starboard side, we have dual Kenyon electric grills, which is perfect for boats because you don't have to store any propane or charcoal. You have the dual refrigerators, the dedicated trash storage locker, and then a sink up above. And once again, for entertaining, you have a flat screen TV. Overhead, we have the hardtop, which features an opening canvas canopy there, so you can take in the sun during the day or stars at night. And if you want more shade, we have the extended Sure Shade here that goes all the way back to the sun lounge. You can increase the seating in the cockpit area once again by opening up this passenger seat by spinning it all the way around to face the social zone. At the helm, we have twin helm seats, both with the flip-up bolsters, and then we have the dual Simrad displays, which have switches built in for all of the pumps, lights, and other features like the Sure Shade. But down below you have switches that are redundant and easy to get to and easy to find. On the starboard side, we have, right now it's set up for instruments for the engines, which gives you the large digital readout. And then you have your engine controls, the DTS controls with the Axios joystick. The joystick also has the skyhook feature, which is a virtual anchor, and the auto heading system, which is an autopilot. One really great feature about this boat is the fact that everything is on one level. So when you transit from the back of the boat up to the bow, you go through this walk-through space. Everything's on one level. There are no steps. There's nothing to trip over. The seating up here is phenomenal. You've got plenty of seating. This will comfortably seat 7 adults, maybe more, but you have the 2 bench seats there, then the 3 seats back here in the lounge. Very comfortable space with drink holders, stereo remote, phone charging port, speakers, spotlight, leather wrapped stainless steel handrails. The boat has an electric anchor windlass up forward with a stainless steel plow anchor. Just a very well equipped, very comfortable bow area. The 400 SLX is a luxury day boat, but it has overnight accommodations to it. And down below we have a microwave, refrigerator. There's a dinette that converts to a berth up forward, flat screen TV. And then on the starboard side, there's a head. This is a wet head, but it's got a vacuum flush toilet, vessel style sink, large window, opening port, and air conditioning vent. In the back, in the mid cabin, there's a huge berth back there, almost the size of a king size bed, and it too also has a flat screen TV. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2024 Sea Ray 400 SLX, and this is a premium luxury day boat by Sea Ray. It has generator and air conditioning, so it's very comfortable to stay overnight. Has an inverter, so if you want to operate the grill or the TVs without running the generator, you can do that. Just again, a ton of features and options on this boat. Lots of space for entertaining. For MarineMax, I'm Wally Wells. Thanks for watching.